Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing outside our beautiful new listing. This one is 20 Hayes Road in Tariffville, Connecticut. It is a charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath style Saltbox Colonial. It has so many new improvements to it. What I love about this property, in just 6 years ago, they had a brand new roof installed. It's got central air, nice open floor plan. The living room has vaulted ceilings, a nice fireplace, hardwood floors throughout that have all been refinished, updated remodeled kitchen with all new cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, eat-in space, nice private backyard, close to the Farmington River with kayaking, hiking, biking trails, you name it. It's really great because it's also got public utilities here. It's nestled in a sweet little neighborhood, and it's just had the entire exterior repainted within the last month of 2021 here. And this one is hitting the market in just a few days. It's not going to last long. These properties move very quickly, so you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.